Many technicians and mechanics have troubles upgrading, installing, or diagnosing operating faults in heavy machinery, automotive, and marine engines. Diagxiq gives you the support you need 24 hours per day with the following steps. 1. Remote support by TeamViewer, AnyDesk, or Supremo. 2. We check the PC looking for viruses and sufficient space. 3. If the PC has a virus, you can decide the following. Install the software if it can run with the virus. Run the antivirus. This process can remove other corrupted software. The customer provides us another PC. 4. We verify the compatibility of your software. 5. We download all our installers by Megasync. 6. We install and license your software. 7. Finally, we leave the PC in good working condition. We have an extensive catalog of products for different recognized brands in diesel world, such as Diagxiq, John Deere, Volvo, Paccar, Detroit Diesel, and others. Find us by visiting our website at www.diagxiq.com. Connect with us and get to know our latest updates through our Telegram channel, searching @Diagxiq Pro Diesel and click Unite Me. Diagxiq, the best software at your reach.